Just remove the emergency brake cable, the 67 El Camino. We're under the floorboards and through the frame right here above the brake line. This comes through the frame from the other side, pokes out right here, and then you slide this clip on it and it holds it on like that. It feeds from the back side and then it goes behind the firewall and pops out right here. So to get to it, you need to come down here. The hole is right here. It loops down, goes through this hole and comes out the frame on the other side. This hole. Better demonstration. That hole into the frame and feeds into this hole right here in the firewall. Right there. This. This in through the firewall. Then it connects to the pedal that levers and pulls the emergency brake. And this goes in there, feeds down here through the frame, and pops out on the other side. That's how it goes back together.